Running a process manufacturing business involves design, source, manufacture, qualify, deliver, service. This process, right from conception through to production and to distribution, is challenging for manufacturers, as even a small flaw impacts the productivity, causing losses in monetary and inventory terms. Thus, there is a need to operate more efficiently, from the customer order through to distribution. BatchMaster ERP fills this void and helps the businesses plan and schedule resources for their day-to-day operations. Its advanced module set, which includes planning and scheduling tools, bill of materials, production, traceability, quality control, inventory, formulation, purchase and sales, compliance, etc., helps create an impeccable manufacturing cycle. BatchMaster offers a smart way to adopt best manufacturing practices and align the plant floor to top floor with its manufacturing solutions available on SAP and Microsoft platforms, both on cloud as well as on-premise. Find out more about BatchMaster's manufacturing solutions today.